Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're comparing Gemini CLI, Claude Code, and Codex to see which AI coding tool is the best for your workflow. So let's get started. First up, we have Gemini CLI. This tool is part of Google's Gemini ecosystem and runs directly in your command line. It can generate code in multiple languages, explain code, and even fix errors. It's fast, lightweight, and supports real-time context, so it can understand the files in your current project for accurate assistance. Perfect if you want a CLI-focused system integrated coding helper. Next, we have Claude Code by Anthropic. Claude excels at understanding and reasoning in natural language. It's more conversational than Gemini CLI and shines at debugging, code reviews, and generating documentation. With a large context window, it can handle big projects with multiple files, making it ideal for complex applications where deep code analysis is needed. Finally, we have Codex by OpenAI. Codex powers GitHub Copilot and is designed for the quick code generation. It can autocomplete lines, write functions, and support many programming languages, while it lacks the deep reasoning of Claude or the system integration of Gemini CLI. It's fast, efficient, and perfect for rapid prototyping and everyday coding tasks. Comparing the three side by side, I want to say Gemini CLI best for CLI integration and real-time project context. Claude Code best for deep reasoning, debugging, and large project analysis. Codex best for speed, prototyping, and general purpose coding help. So your choice depends on what you value: integration, reasoning, or speed. That's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!